How to uninstall Bible app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Tap on settings icon to open up your device settings. Scroll all the way down to general and tap on it. Tap on iPhone storage. From here search for Bible app. Then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, tap on delete app. Tap again to confirm and you are done. In this way, you can simply uninstall Bible app or delete your app from your device. Or else, you can simply tap and hold the Bible application if it is applicable on your Android phone and tap uninstall and tap uninstall again to confirm. Then you can simply delete your Bible application from your Android too. So that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.